there. I'm next weather meteorologist Lissette Gonzalez, and we do have a next weather alert today as we want you to be aware and prepared. Look at this mess on a Monday, and throughout the day we're going to continue with these waves of wet weather, these rounds of rain. And you know, the rain has been relentless since the overnight hours. I can tell you, even driving into the station, it was a little scary because there are lots of cars that are hydroplaning. So I tried to slow down as much as I could, drive safely, give yourself extra time, as of course everyone's heading to work and trying to get the kids to school. But I will tell you this much: a flood advisory is in effect here for mainland Monroe until 9:30 a.m. We also have a flood advisory in effect for parts of southern Broward and northern Miami-Dade County. That flood advisory is until 10:15 a.m. and I'm going to zoom into that in just a moment. But I will tell you, it is raining in Marathon right now. We've had some pretty steady, persistent showers over parts of Long Key and the area that's under the flood advisory here in mainland Monroe. Isla Mirada just got hit with tons of lightning, and now we're seeing some of the heavier rain moving into parts of Key Largo, Ocean Reef. At least most of the lightning is now offshore. Now let's move to Miami-Dade County, where we are seeing some heavy rain around Cutler Bay, as well as Sweetwater, Doral, outside our studios. It has been raining nonstop, and then we're seeing the showers over Miami Beach, downtown Miami, Key Biscayne, and a little further north. There you see the area under the flood advisory. As I promised, that area is under that advisory till 10:15 a.m., including places like Hollywood, Aventura, North Miami, Hard Rock Stadium, some heavy downpours in and around this area. Also the rain stretching around Pembroke Pines, Southwest Ranches, Weston, Davie, Fort Lauderdale. It's basically a shield of rain. So you really just need to have your umbrella handy today. Keep it where you can reach for it in the backseat of the car. Make sure the kids have their ponchos. You can see those downpours around Fort Lauderdale, up and down 95, Oakland Park, Pompano Beach, Deerfield Beach, Coral Springs, Tamarack, getting drenched, Plantation, also getting pummeled, Marin Bank Arena, Weston, 595, I-75. All the roads are slick and dangerous as we've been dealing with widespread showers and some storms here during the rush hour and even since earlier this morning. The winds actually are fairly calm right now, or light, 5-9 miles an hour, but important to note that the visibility has dropped drastically. In Homestead, it is down to only 0.3 miles. In Miami, down to 3. In Fort Lauderdale, 2.5. The reason visibility is down is because of the rain and the clouds. And you can see from our Miami camera, actually I should say you can barely see a thing here, but it is very dreary and misty and mild and muggy. Low 70s right now, but look at that humidity. It's through the roof, up to 96%, because we have so much moisture in the atmosphere that's moving in from a system that developed in the Gulf, and now that disturbance is going to keep our rain chance highest today. Now a heads up, the Storm Prediction Center has placed South Florida under a marginal risk of severe weather. This is part of the reason we have a next alert going. We also have a flood watch in effect throughout the day today and through tomorrow morning. Now rainfall totals could range from 3 to 6 inches through tomorrow. We could even see some isolated higher amounts as we head throughout the day today and through tomorrow. Next weather rain tracker is showing that as we head into 9 a.m. through 10 a.m., still some scattered showers and storms, but hey, look at what happens around lunchtime, midday. I think many neighborhoods are going to get a little bit of a break. At least the activity is not going to be as widespread. We're going to see the bulk of the action move offshore for a moment, but then more waves of rain will move in as we get into 2-3 p.m. So for parents, this is something important to note. When kids are getting out of school, we will likely see some rain impacting parts of South Florida. Again, through the evening rush and even through tonight, some showers and storms. And then going into tomorrow morning, keep the rain gear close, as we'll still be dealing with some unsettled wet weather, though not looking as bad as what we're dealing with today. Now, on the bright side, we need the rain. We have the drought, so we welcome it. But now as we head through the afternoon, at least it won't be as hot either. With the clouds and the wet weather, we're talking a high around 80 degrees. Notice how the rain chances are really highest right now as we head into 9 a.m. and through 11 a.m. Then the rain chance goes down a little bit through the middle of the day, then goes back up. Obviously, not a great beach day. Hopefully you got out there yesterday. Today we have a high risk of rip currents, also storms around. That'll be impacting boaters too. Small craft caution for the Atlantic waters in the Florida Keys. Next Weather 70 forecast shows today's our wettest day of the week with a high of 80. 85 tomorrow with some scattered showers and storms, with the rain chance begins to decrease. Drier midweek, and ironically is when we kick off the rainy season, but the rest of the week we are looking mainly dry, sunny, heating up to near 90 Saturday and Sunday.